Today I will show you our factory and see what machine we are product. My company name is Baochang Measure Company.
有买家进入直播间了。
Now let me show you what machine we are product. Our company, my machine is the changing face machine. For the changing face machine, we had more times. For example, the single wire changing face machine, the double wire changing face machine, the single wire and the double mode changing face machine. And we still had the semi-automatic changing face machine. I will show you the picture first. This one. This one, it is our single wire and double mode changing face machine. If you had a book machine from other supplier, they will tell you our changing face machine, the speed is 80 square meter to 100
有买家进入直播间了。
But our this machine, the speed is very fast. The speed it will more than 2,000 square meter per hour. And why our machine it is working so fast? Because all other supplier, the motor only one servo motor, and this machine had two side servo motor, and for the mode we had two mode. Later I will show you the machine working video. Then you will know why our machine it is working so fast. For the changing face machine, for the edge, you could choose the tungsten edge or the knuckle edge. You could see it. This is the knuckle. This is the tungsten. And one machine could product all of them. You could choose two sides, all is knuckle, or two sides, all is tungsten. Or one side is knuckle, one side is tungsten. One machine could product all of them. And maybe you think, Helen, why one machine could product so many edges? Because if you want to change the edge, only change the mode, only this small mode.
有买家进入直播间了。
Very easy. For the changing face machine, we still include the rolling machine. And this is our rolling machine. Our had two times rolling machine. One is like this one, make the roller very small. One is this one. This one, the rolling will be bigger. Next, it is our single wire changing face machine. For the three times, they are all our single wire changing face machine. For the color, you could choose different color. You know, more trading company book the changing face from us. And if you are a trading company, we could write your company name, address, and contact number at our machine. This it is our semi-changing face machine. They are still semi-automatic changing face machine. For this one, it will not the rolling machine. And this, it not the wiring parts, only the cut the wire. And this one, it still cutting the wire. It will bending the wire and cutting the wire. For this machine, we import to Africa more. And it is our semi-automatic chain fence machine tool. For the machine color, you could choose any color you want. You could choose the pink color, green color, blue color, or other color. For the chain fence machine, you could choose different motor. For the motor, we have the Siemens motor, Invictus motor, or the Delta motor, and other motor. You could choose different motor. You know, if the motor different, then the machine price will different. Now you could see this is our double wire chain fence machine. For this machine, if you are wire, it is hard. Then you only could use the single wire chain fence machine or the single wire and double mode chain fence machine. But if your country the wire is soft, then you could choose this double wire chain fence machine. And this machine still includes the rolling machine. Now you could see this is our buffered wire. machine. For the buffered wire machine, we had 3 types. We had the double wire buffered wire machine and the single wire double wire machine. Later I will show you the machine working video. Now you could see our cramp wire mesh machine. For the cramp wire mesh machine, we had 3 types. For the first one, it is our fully automatic cramp wire mesh machine. The wire mesh machine, this cramp wire mesh machine, the wire diameter from 0.5 to 2 millimeter. And this one, the second one, it is our semi-automatic cramp wire mesh machine. The wire diameter from 2 millimeter to 6 millimeter. The third one, it is our strong machine. So wire diameter from 6 millimeter to 12 millimeter. Now you could see our welding wire mesh machine. For the welding wire mesh machine, we have the welding wire mesh rolling machine and the welding wire mesh hand machine. This one, it is the rolling machine. And this one, it is a welding wire mesh hand machine. For the tool machine, we all had the semi-automatic welding machine and the fully automatic welding wire mesh machine. Now you can see our grassland wire mesh machine. For the grassland wire mesh machine, you could choose different widths. For the machine width, you could choose 1.2 meter or 1.5 meter or 2 meter or 2.4 meter. You could choose different widths. Now, this is our Rosa barbed wire mesh machine. We import this machine or more. We import it to Africa, to India, to Nepal, and to other countries. For this machine, one machine could product more types. You could see the Rosa barbed wire mesh had more types. One machine could product all of them, but only need to change the mode. This one, it is the mode. You only change this one, only book more mode, then you could product more machine. For this one, this machine, it is our built blind wire mesh machine. For the blind wire mesh machine, this one, the raw material, it is the SS wire. And this is our chicken wire mesh machine. For the chicken wire mesh machine, we import to Africa, and so this it is our Gabon mesh machine. We import to this machine to India, to Nepal, the 2 countries. We sell more to the two country. And this is our wire drawing machine. For the wire drawing machine, the raw material you could choose 1.5 raw material, and you still could choose the 2 wire diameter, 2 millimeter wire diameter, or 1 millimeter wire diameter, and it all could product. And this is our PVC wire coating machine. For the raw material, you could choose the black wire or the galvanized wire. Then use this machine. It will change the view to the PVC wire. For the color, you choose the green color or the blue color or other color. This is our puncture machine. We still call it an important wire mesh machine. For this machine, it has the different size. You could choose the big one or choose the small one. Okay, let me show you our factory video first. Then I will show you our machine video one by one. This is our factory video. Me, this is me.
Professional company in wire mesh fence and limestone products industry. Our factory located at number 8
Our boss.
of wire mesh industrial zone, taking 5,400 square meters of space. Our advanced equipment, except the welded mesh machine and chain link fence machine, also have laser cutting machine, robot welding machine, punching machine, and bending machine to meet our product diversification and products customized requirements. Moreover, all of our workers are skilled and with rich experienced workers. This provides quality warranty during the production process. Plus, the quality inspector checking quality during the whole production process. So customers are satisfied with our quality. Therefore, we got thousands of orders which are given by repeat orders. Based on the faith of integrity first and superior quality, we have built a long-term business and mutual benefit cooperation with customers from more than 40 countries. And every month, we send around 50 containers our customer. Moreover, we have many tender experiences in different countries and own thousands of good feedbacks from our clients. We use our sincere heart to service our clients and practice to be ourselves, no matter where is the customer came from. In our deep mind, business is not only business, it is one way to improve our life. So cooperate with us, enjoy business, enjoy life.
Okay, just now you had to see our factory. Our factory product the wire mesh machine and the wire mesh fence. And my machine is the chain link fence machine. And we had more customer from different countries. For example, we had more customer from India, Nepal, Pakistan, Colombia, Kenya, Africa, and other countries. And at different country, we all had our agent and our customer. If you say, Helen, I never book a machine from China, and I don't know how to use your machine, how to solve it. You know, all our machine, we all had the teaching video and the install video, and we still had the one books, and the books had the details how to use the machine one step and one step. We could send all the video and send the books to you. And if you still don't know how to use the machine, you could let our customer or our agent help you, and our agent could go to your factory and teach you how to use the machine. And if had any problems that you don't know how to use the machine, you could call me by video call. Me and you and our engineer will have a video call, and we will teach you how to use the machine one step by one step. So no need worried, no need. If you want to see our machine at your country, you only tell me which country you are from, which city you are from. I will give my agent and give our customer contact number. Then you could see our machine at your country. And you still could have a visit to our factory. Our factory at Hebei, Hengshui, MP, and near Beijing. If you want to book the airport, you could book to Shijiazhuang Airport or go to Beijing Airport. My team will pick you up at Beijing or pick you up at Shijiazhuang. Okay? If you say Helen, I want to have a visit to your factory, but I could not leave China. I could not leave my country to China. Could I let my Chinese friend have a visit to your factory? Yes, this is a good idea. We had, we had more customer like some Chinese friend had a visit to our factory. Your Chinese factory could come in by air or come in by highway station. Or it's okay. Our team will pick your Chinese friend up. From Shijiazhuang to my city about 2 hours. From Beijing to my city about 3 hours. 3 hours. So it is not far. The nearest port is the seaport is Tianjin port. And our machine, the product time is 10 days to 15 days. And maybe you say, Helen, you say your my machine is the chain link fence machine. But what is chain link fence? I show you what is chain link fence. This one, we call it chain link fence. For the chain link fence, you could use our machine to protect the height. You could protect the 2 meter or 6 meter or 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter, 6 meter, all is okay. For the length, when the wire has the length, you could choose 15 meter one row or 20 meter one row or 30 meter one row, all is okay. And for the wire diameter, you could choose the 1.5 millimeter to 4 millimeter. For the mesh, you could choose 25 to 100 millimeter. For this we call it edge. For this edge, you could product this knuckle or still could product the tungsten one. Okay. For the raw material, we call this one the wire. It is raw material. The raw material, you could choose this galvanized wire, or the black wire, or the PVC wire, or the SS wire, all is okay. Maybe some friend, some customer say, Helen, I want to book machine from you, and I still want to book some wire from you, if okay. Yes, you could book the raw material from us. And if you book less, for example, you book 1 ton or 5 tons, you could book from us. But if you book more, if you book a 20-foot container or more, I could give our wire supplier contact number to you. You could book the wire from them. Okay. First, let me show you our machine working video. Let me show you our chain link fence machine. First. This is our single wire changing face machine. One time, one wire working. This is the welding machine. And this is the cutting the wire. Here, you can see this is the knuckle pass. The knuckle. This is the rolling machine working video. Make the roller small, roller small. This one, it is our single wire and double mode changing face machine. This machine working very fast. Let us see the video. This is still our single wire and double mode changing face machine. You could see it working very fast. Let us see the video. One time, two wire working, two mode. Machine working video. This machine can work in more fast. For the raw material, we could use this the wire or the PVC wire. This is our line making machine. We import every year. Now, I will show you our Rosa barbed wire mesh machine working video. For the punching machine, we use the Yang punching machine. For the Yang punching machine, it is very famous in all the world. machine, we read the English, and we still read the English and
有
Chinese.
买家进入直
But
播
if
间了。
you don't know English and you don't know Chinese, we could use your country language. Now you could see this is our chicken wire machine working video. For the raw material, we could use this galvanized wire or use the
有买
PVC
家进
wire.
入直播间了。 Okay, just now I will show you our machine working video. Our company, my name is Helen. Our company name is Baochun Wire Mesh Company. Our company product the wire mesh and the wire mesh machine. For the machine, we are product the chain fence machine, the barbed wire mesh machine, and the welding wire mesh machine, and the grassland wire mesh machine, and cramp wire mesh machine, and other times wire mesh machine. And with our company still product the wire mesh. For example, the chain link fence, the steel fence, the 3D welding wire mesh fence, and the other fence. And if here had you are interested, you could contact me, and I will send you our machine details and our fence details to you. First, let me show you what machine we are product. We are product the chain link fence. The my machine is our chain link fence. We have the single wire chain link fence machine and the double wire chain link fence machine and the single wire double 有
wire
买
chain
家
link
进入
fence
直播
machine
间了。
and the semi-optimal chain link fence machine. For the barbed wire, okay. Let me show you the picture. And this picture, it is our single wire and double mode chain link fence machine. For our this machine, the speed is more than 200 square meter 1 hour. If you had booked the chain link fence machine from other supplier, they will tell you our machine, the speed is 80 square meter 1 hour to 120 square meter 1 hour. But our this machine, the speed, it is more than 200 square meter 1 hour. For the chain link fence machine, this it is the chain link fence machine. Our machine, it produces this fence. For our machine, the raw material, this one, it is the raw material. The raw material, you could choose the galvanized wire, or the PVC galvanized wire, or the black wire, or the S wire. And for the wire diameter, our machine could product the 1.5 millimeter to 4 millimeter. And maybe you say, Helen, I want to product the very strong wire diameter, for example, the 5 millimeter if okay. You know, this machine could not product. But if you really want to product the 5 millimeter, then we need to use the big motor. This machine, the motor size is 3.8. And then we need to change the big one, the 4.5 one. And for the mesh size, we call hair to hair, we call it a mesh size. So mesh size, we product from 25 to 100. And for this we call it edge. For the edge, you could choose this knuckle or the twister. One machine could product all of them. Let me show you our machine some details. This one. For one machine, it could product 2 of them. This we call it knuckle. This it is the twister. One machine could product 2 of them. And if you want product the knuckle to the twister, then how to do it? Only change this one. This is the edge mode. Only change the mode. Very easy. And for the chain link fence machine, you know, it includes the rolling machine. For the rolling machine, we had 2 times. And we had this times and this times. For the rolling machine, this one, it will make the roller very small. And this one, the roller, it will big. Now you can see our single wire chain link fence machine. They are all our fully automated single wire chain link fence machine. For the chain link fence machine, you could product a different color. For example, the green color, the orange color, and the blue color. You could choose different color. And if you are a training company, we could write your company detail to our machine. We could write your company name, address, and contact number to our machine. We had more urgent book machine from us. We import the machine to our urgent, and we sometimes will write our urgent company name and address and website to our machine. And now you can see our semi-automatic chain link fence machine. For the semi-automatic chain link fence machine, we import to Africa every year. And the 2 times, they are still our semi-automatic chain link fence machine. For the machine, you know, and the very important is the motor. For the motor, we had more times
For example, the Siemens motor, the Delta motor, and the Invito motor, and other types source motor. All the motor is source motor. This is our double wire chain link fence machine. And now you could see our barbed wire mesh machine. For the barbed wire mesh machine, we had 3 types. We had the double wire mesh machine and the single wire barbed wire mesh machine. Now you could see our clamp wire mesh machine. For the clamp wire mesh machine, we had 3 types. The first one, it is this one. It is our fully automated clamp wire mesh machine. The wire diameter from 0.5 to 2 millimeter. And the second one, it is our semi-automated clamp wire mesh machine. The wire diameter from 2 millimeter to 6 millimeter. The first one, the third one, it is our strong machine. The wire diameter from 6 millimeter to 12 millimeter. For the machine and the machine wise, you could choose 1.5 meter or 2 meter or 2.5 meter or 3 meter. All is okay. All we could product. For now, you could see our welding wire mesh machine. For the welding wire mesh machine, we had 2 types. One is the welding wire mesh rolling machine. One is our welding wire mesh hand move machine. For the 2 machines, we all had a semi-automated machine. Now you could see our grassland wire mesh machine. For the grassland wire mesh machine, it will product this much. And now you could see our rosa barbed wire mesh machine. For the rosa barbed wire mesh machine, you could product one machine could product more times. But if you want to product all of them, then you need to book more machine mode. Here it is the mode. Now it is our blind wire mesh machine. For the blind wire mesh machine, it product this much.